Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. This is subject math, chapter 4. The name of this chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. Basic Geometrical Concepts. Today is the 6th day on this chapter. In previous videos, we have read many basic concepts related with this chapter. This time, our topic is parts of polygons. What are the different parts of polygons? But before starting our new topic, we have to revise some basic things which we have read in polygon. What is polygon? We have read a simple closed figure. A simple closed figure surrounded by line segment only, formed by line segment only, line segments only. This is a polygon. Why this is a polygon? This is a simple means no any side crosses other side, so this is a simple. And this is closed. Why this is simple? This figure is simple and this is closed. Why simple? Because no any side crosses other side. Just like here. This is not a simple figure. This is not a simple because one side crosses other side. This is simple and closed. There is no any free end. Start point, end point both are same. This is open. This is closed, and it is formed by line segment only. It is not formed by line segment. Here this part is not the line segment. That is curve. It is line segment. It is simple closed curve formed by line segment only. So it is a polygon. Now what are the parts of polygon? Here we have to read what are the parts of a polygon. First, we are drawing a polygon. This is a polygon. Name is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D is a polygon. A, B, C, D, E is a polygon. What are the different parts of polygon? First part is sides. What is sides? A line segment forming the polygon are called sides. Line segment forming the polygon, line segment AB. AB is a line segment which form the polygon. So AB is a side. Then BC. BC is also a line segment which form the polygon. So BC is a side. CD. This is a side. ED. This is a side, and EA or A, this is a side. Any line segment which form the polygon are known as sides. There are 5 sides. In this polygon, number of sides are 5. Number of sides 5. Number of sides 5. Now, second part is vertices. What is vertices? A point or the points where two sides meet are called vertices. Any points where two sides meet. This is a point B. This B is a point where two sides. One side is BC and other side is AB. Two sides meet here. AB comes here and CB also comes here. Both meet at the point B. So B is a vertex of the polygon. Again C. C is a point. Here two sides BC and DC both meet here. So C is a vertex. Then any point where two sides meet is known as vertices. Or vertices is the plural of vertex. Vertex is the singular and the plural is vertices. All these are the A. Vertices are A. Here two sides meet B, again C, D and E, D and E, all D and E, all points are vertices of the polygon. There is also another definition: 2 ends of a side. 2 ends of a side, right here. 2 ends of same side. 2 ends of same side are called vertices. Are called vertices. This is another definition. 2 sides of a side. Suppose BC is a side and 2 ends, one in B, other in C. Both are the vertices. This is also vertices, all sides. Now, adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices can be defined in different way. But the most simple way, what is the most simple way? Adjacent vertices. To now again draw another AB. Write here name from anywhere A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D is a polygon. Now we have to read adjacent vertices. What is adjacent vertices? Here 2 ends of same sides are called vertices also. But adjacent vertices, here definition is end points of same side of a polygon are called adjacent vertices. Take any side DC. DC is a side and this side is a line segment. Each side of the polygon is a line segment. DC is also a line segment and a line segment has 2 ends. We have already discussed any line segment has 2 ends. So this DC line segment has also 2 ends. One end is D, other end is C. It means D and C are the adjacent vertices. Again D and E. ED is also a line segment and this line segment also has 2 endpoints. One is E, other is D. So ED are the DC. The adjacent vertices are DC. Again CB. C and B. C and B are the adjacent vertices. Again B and A. B and A. BA are the adjacent vertices. A and E. These are the adjacent vertices. Or we can also define a common point where 2 sides meet. A common point where 2 sides meet. Okay. Now diagonals. What is diagonals? Here we have to what we have discussed, adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices, it means D and C are adjacent vertices. D and C adjacent vertices. Again C and B. C and B adjacent vertices. D and B are not adjacent vertices. Here D and B. D and B not adjacent. Not adjacent. D and B. Again CB are adjacent. C and A. C and A not adjacent. C and A not adjacent. Now what is diagonal? A line segment. Diagonal is a line segment which joins two non-adjacent vertices. A line segment which joins two adjacent or two non-adjacent vertices. Join D and B. D and B. This is a diagonal. Diagonal is also a line segment. And this diagonal DB has 2 endpoints. It is a line segment, and just like the other line segment, it has also 2 endpoints. One endpoint is D, other endpoint is B. DB is one diagonal. Now there may be other diagonals or not. Now you have to think, there are some other diagonals or not? There are many other diagonals also. Now join. CB are adjacent. CB are adjacent. C and A are not adjacent. C, vertex C and vertex A, both are not adjacent. So join this. Now CA, diagonals DB. What are the diagonals? Diagonals DB. Again another diagonal CA, another diagonal CA. Why CA is diagonal? Because C and A are non-adjacent vertices, and any line segment joining two non-adjacent vertices is known as diagonal. Now there is one point E. E can be joined E and B. E and B are non-adjacent, so join EB. EB is also a diagonal. Again E and C. E and C are non-adjacent, so E join E and C. Join E and C. EC is also a diagonal. EC is also a diagonal. So these are the diagonals. Now what we have read this time? We have read parts of a polygon, and we know what is polygon. A simple closed figure formed by line segment only. Very clear and simple definition. A simple closed figure, a simple closed figure formed by line segment only is known as polygon. Parts of polygon: sides. The line segment forming the polygon are called sides. Then vertices, any point where two sides meet. Any point, a common point where two sides meet, are called vertices. A, B, C, D, all are the vertices, because at each point two sides meet. At B, two sides meet. At C, two sides meet. D, E, A. At every point two sides meet, so these all points are vertices. Then adjacent vertices, the two ends of same side. Two ends of same side are known as adjacent vertices. DC adjacent vertices, CB adjacent vertices, BA adjacent vertices. Diagonals, a line segment joining non-adjustment vertices are known as diagonals. Clear? This time we have discussed parts of a polygon. Now we shall discuss in next video types of polygon. Thanks.